Hello and welcome to our June and mid-year buy-side update. Halfway through the year, we have closed 10 off-market transactions. I would love to highlight them briefly in no particular order. We helped an individual buyer acquire a digital marketing and advertising firm in Michigan with a specialization in outdoor or billboard advertising. Very excited to see the new owner succeed and flourish in that business. Next, we helped Shockman Lumber acquire Rekwarf Co., a 150-plus-year-old lumber and millwork company that allows Shockman to grow into new geographies and increase revenue and employ some cost synergies. Next, we helped AmeriCooler acquire Tarpon Stainless, which was a corporate carve-out of a larger IFG food service equipment manufacturing business. This acquisition gives AmeriCooler new manufacturing capabilities, allowing them to provide more services and products to their existing customer base. Very excited to see the growth there. Next, we helped ADAC Automotive, a global tier 1 supplier, acquire EBW Electronics, helping segment new services and products for them in lighting and smart systems space. Furthermore, we helped the Morales Group acquire Career Transition Services, a staffing firm which expands their geographic reach and service lines. Next, we helped individual buyers, in fact, a husband and wife duo, acquire Spraypatch, an asphalt maintenance and repair company. We're very excited to see them begin their entrepreneurial journey and succeed. We helped Strata Landscape Services with 2 acquisitions. First, Boulder Landscape, helping expand them into the Colorado market, and also Gentry Landscape, further segmenting their West Coast presence. Very excited to see Strata evolve and grow quickly into one of the leading landscape service maintenance platforms in the US. Furthermore, helped Equity Partners acquire a lake and pond management company. Equity continues to grow its platform, providing a wide array of water services, water maintenance services, and we're pleased and blessed to help them. And last but not least, closing on the very last day of the first half of the year, we assisted 2 individual buyers with the acquisition of a business, Aerial Signs and Awnings, which you will see press releases soon on. Very excited to help these new business owners succeed in their positions and grow the business long term. A lot of buyers that we work with think long term and truly care, and it is such an honor to play a role in helping the transition, not only for the buyers, but also for the sellers, which is often a very life-changing thing. So 10 deals closed in the first half of the year. We have 11 more currently under LOI, spanning 7 states and representing a diverse mix of buyers that we're working with, strategic, PE-backed, and also individual entrepreneurial buyers. In the first half of 2025, we sourced 891 leads that were introduced to our buy-side clients. This led to 478 buyer-seller calls and meetings, 104 IOIs or LOIs that were submitted that led to the 10 closed deals. Again, 11 more LOIs currently signed, on track for Q3 or Q4 closings. We do have a search that just ended in the federal contracting space. We were searching for companies that derive revenue from ADAC or other federal contracting sources. If that is a space that is of interest to you, reach out to us. We'd be happy to discuss with you if there's a way that we can work together on those. And on pace for 20 plus closings in 2025 on just the buy side. Excited to keep that momentum going in the second half of the year. A mid-year update would not be complete without a look to the second half of the year. In the second half of 2025, we are feeling a surge of sellers coming to market, a return of the quality seller. You've probably heard me, if you've been paying attention to my monthly updates, harp over and over again on the fact that there seems to be good reasons, or at least reasons, why owners are not coming to market. Well, that slowly seems to be changing, and sellers are starting to thaw out, if you will, and coming to market. At least we're seeing an uptick on our sell side in terms of conversations, valuations, and ultimately starting to grow our count of deals on the market on our sell side. To quote our managing partner, Max Friar, the owner of Calder, owners cannot continue to wait until next year forever. With the S&P at record highs and trade fears hopefully shifting toward rhetoric over real policy, we're seeing a window where things feel more settled, and that is translating into real seller movement. This isn't a wave of distressed businesses. These are strong businesses that seem to be finally coming to market at greater quantities, and that bodes well not only for our sell side but for our buy side as well, with owners off market following suit. thinking more and more about selling. So the second half of 2025 is shaping up to be a strong one. We're gonna keep pushing forward and try to eclipse that 20 deal mark on the buy side, and continue to take great pride in helping buyers identify and close on the right acquisitions. If you want to see off-market deal flow, don't hesitate to reach out. My email is sam@caldergr.com, and I would be happy to answer any questions you might have in our next newsletter. Thanks so much, and we will catch you next month.